was our chance to make a change, our time to rearrange and make peace with ourselves, like the dark that we have dealt. But fat hand leading crowd kept their chins up, dumb and proud. They've shunned majority to build a tight economy. Well, it is written in the sand, a scar that can't be made amends. A complex full of greed, sends the door on sanity. It's the mountains and the streams and the air that we breathe. It'll be the jury on how counts we are guilty, executed and reborn. We will have learned and have reformed, and only then will we believe, kneeling down on Judgment Day. If today is a demonstration of the progress of industry nation, we'd be singing different songs if fish could have their way. And if fish could have their way, we'd be housed up in a cage. They'd hook us through the face, serve us on a plate.